वी डोंट हैव एनी अदर ब्रांच। हमारी कोई अन्य शाखा नहीं है, नकालों से सावधान।
Good evening, my name is Abhishek Kumar Abhinav and I am from Mumbai. I came here for SSB training and guidance. So starting with my mock interview, Group Captain DK Tanwar taught me a lot of things which I lacked and told me where to focus and what to focus on. And coming to the psychology part, Dr. Harish Dhyani, he taught very perfectly what are the do's and don'ts of various psychological tests and what is needed to be inculcated in a person who needs to qualify these tests. And coming to the GTO part, Mr. Ravi Patel, he taught us all the GTO activities, all 9 of them, both the preliminary and confirmatory tasks, and taught us various methods and various ingenious solutions to various problems and how to tackle them. In all, the SSB experience here was quite good and I got to learn a lot about myself and also got to learn where I lagged and what to focus on. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Abhay Singh. I have come from Bijnor, UP. I came here to take the SSB coaching for NDA 146 course. The best part about DDA Academy was that it provides practical implementation of the theoretical exercises that are shown in the book, and it was a very good experience. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, I am Priya Goyal from Dehradun itself, and I have come to DDA to be coached for SSB, and I have got a very good experience of it with the help of our teachers and our coordinators who actually work for us and made our confidence really high and also made us realize that where we are lacking and gave us a good illustrations of it. Thank you. Jai Hind.
A very pleasant evening to all of you. I am Nitin Gupta. I am from Fatehpur. It is in between Kanpur and Allahabad. Here I come in Dehradun to taking SSB classes. I have also completed my DDA course in 2019 to 20 batch, and after clearing the ND exam, I came here for SSB. In SSB, I learned many things that which I lack and which I have to focus.
Hello everyone, my name is Nakul Chauhan. I am from Hapur, Uttar Pradesh. I take 4 months NDA written examination coaching from Air 2 Defense Academy, and I cleared my NDA written examination with best motivated and helping faculty from here, and now I take 12 days NDA SSB coaching from here, and there is the best faculty and best infrastructure and obstacle from here. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Are you satisfied with this course?
Yes, sir.
Are you satisfied?
Yes, sir.
Have you learned all this thing, SSB, psychology, GTO, group task, individual task?
Yes, sir.
Everybody has completed your mock interview?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now you got a confidence?
Yes, sir.
You got an observation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. 100% I'm telling you, you'll success. Okay? All the best for your success.
Thank you, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, gentlemen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.